When draining oil from the engine, it's important that the drainer is big enough to hold the amount of liquid. So here is DaTo ASOD2090A, oil drainer. But why you need oil drainer? If you don't want your spill tray or drainer overflowing, and going all over the floor, then you need DaTo oil drainer. It protect you against oil spillage, and provide easy use, with the suction speed 6.5 liter per minute, and tank capacity up to 85 liter, so you can be sure DaTo provide quick oil changes. Just put the probe into the oil dipstick pipe, connect the drainer on the other end, the device is going to get the whole oil out in minutes, along with oil, sludge, and other dirt from hoses will also come out. This is a perfectly tight tank. DaTo ASOD2090A, keeping up to date with your oil changes, is the most important thing you can do to ensure a long life for your engine. For more detail you can contact us on www.datotech.de. Thanks for watching.